Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to my channel with the new topic, valency. So just before we go into this topic, we need to know what are we going to learn from this. At the end of this video, you will understand what is valency, some examples of the elements showing their valencies, and just how to write a simple formula. Alright, just before we start this, please give a like to my videos and hit the subscribe button for more videos in the future. Right, here we go. So what is valency? So it is the combining capacity of an atom, right? So how many electrons it can gain, share or lose to become stable is called valency. For example, if we assume A as an element, right? How many electrons it can lose, it can share or it can gain to form in a chemical bond or to become stable. That is known as valency. So we're going to consider, first thing is octet rule. What is that? The outermost shell of the orbits, electrons are arranged in orbits around the nucleus. So the outermost shell contains electrons and they need to make it 8 usually, fill up to become stable, and that is the octet rule. Right, now we are going to see some examples of some elements. Their atomic number is very important. Then outer electrons, that is the valency shell electron, and what does it do, and its valency. So we're going to consider hydrogen. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1, right? So the outer electrons, outermost shell has only 1 electron, and it can, so to make, the first shell should make 2, the others only will try to make 8. So it can gain 1 electron or lose 1 or share, everything is another 1 it needs. So its valency is 1. Likewise, we take another example, oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. So the first shell holds 2 and 6 remains. So the outer shell, it has 6 electrons. So what does it do to become 8? It will gain or share 2 more electrons. So we consider the valency as 2, right? Valency is the combining capacity of an atom, right? Now the next one we are going to consider is nitrogen. Atomic number is 7. So it has 2 in the first and the second one 5 electrons. So outer shell has 5. According to the octet rule, it must gain another 3. So the valency, 3 electrons it must gain or share, right? So the valency is 3. Another example, we are going to consider carbon. Atomic number is 6. So 2 and 4 electrons in the outermost shell. So what does it do? It has to combine another 4 by losing, gaining or sharing. And the valency is 4. The next one again, I just thought of sodium. Atomic number is 11. The outer electron, 2 first level, then second level it has 8. Then the balance is 1. So what happens? It can lose 1 electron or share 1 electron. So its valency is 1. So in short, now I'm going to tell you the easy tip for the exam to remember. That is the tip and tricks. right? Group 1 have the valency 1. Group 2, 2. Group 3, actually it's not group 3, it's group 13. But for O-levels, we're just skipping off that transition block. So we consider there are 10. So we consider it as 3. The 2 is having 2 and 3 is having 3. So group 4, 4 is the valency. And group 5, the valency is again 3. Group 6, 2. Group 7, it's 1. And group 8 or the 0 group, it's 0 because they are already very stable. The electron configuration is filled. For example, if I consider neon, the atomic number is 10. So the outer shell electrons it has is 2 and 8. So it does not, 8 means octet rule. According to the octet rule, it has a complete shell. So it does not share, gain or lose. So the valency is 0 for them. Right? Right, now we'll go in. So this is the tip, easy tip that I have given you. And we'll see an example like magnesium chloride. So first you need to write the formula. Magnesium, always the first letter is in capital and the second one simple. Chloride, I already taught you in the previous videos. The ions will end with "ide." Non-metal ions end with "ide." So for chlorine, we need to see it is Cl. So the valency of this is 2. The valency of chlorine, it belongs to group 7. That's why it's 1. See, group 7, 1 and group 2, it's 2. So we cross over. So 1 magnesium and Cl 2. So this is how. Hope you understood this video and like my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and just comment on which topics should I do next. Do we need to continue on the chemistry lessons or move to physics and biology? Thank you for watching.